Isolated footings are the most common foundation type for column-supported structures. Let's walk through the complete construction process, step by step.
The process begins with layout marking, locating column centers as per the structural drawing, using survey instruments and string lines.
Excavation is carried out to the required depth and size, based on the footing dimensions and soil-bearing capacity.
The pit base is leveled and compacted. If groundwater is present, dewatering pumps keep the excavation dry before further work. A plain cement concrete bed, typically 75 to 100 millimeters thick, is laid to provide a clean, level, and non-porous surface for reinforcement. The PCC bed is cured for 24 to 48 hours before reinforcement work begins. Once cured, the exact footing dimensions and column center lines are remarked precisely on the PCC bed. Reinforcement bars are cut and bent according to the bar bending schedule, matching the footing design. The bottom reinforcement mesh is placed in both directions and tied securely at each intersection using binding wire. Cover blocks are placed beneath the reinforcement to maintain the required clear cover from the PCC surface, protecting steel from corrosion. Column starter bars, or dowels, are fixed vertically at the footing center to connect the footing with the column above. Formwork is erected around the footing edges to contain the concrete and give it the required shape. Before concreting, the engineer verifies alignment, level, and dowel verticality, a critical quality checkpoint. Concrete of the specified design mix is poured into the footing in a continuous operation to avoid cold joints. A needle vibrator is used to compact the concrete thoroughly, eliminating air pockets and ensuring full strength. The top surface is leveled and finished smooth using a trowel and straight edge. The footing is cured for a minimum of 7 days by ponding or covering with wet material, allowing the concrete to gain design strength. The excavated area around the footing is backfilled in layers and compacted to restore ground level and provide lateral support.
The isolated footing is now complete, with reinforcement dowels ready for column construction, the foundation for a safe and stable structure.